Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we'll be reviewing Britannia Breakfast Slice Bread. So let's dive in. This one is 350-gram pack priced at rupees 30 with a clear best before date mentioned on the pack. So there is no need to refrigerate it. Just keep it away from the sunlight to maintain the freshness. And this one is white bread made from maida, but it is fortified with added vitamins, making it a slightly healthier option than the regular white bread. Okay, so the pack contained 14 bread slices and including the usual first and the last slice, which are slightly brownish or burnt. Okay, the bread texture is soft and pillowy with no cracks or dryness. It has a fresh, slightly sweet aroma, and you can simply use it to spread peanut butter for a quick snack, or it goes classic with your butter, jam, cheese, and you can pair it with an omelette to make the filling bread omelette and your stuffed sandwiches also. Negatives: being made up of refined flour, it's slightly higher in calories than the brown bread or the atta bread. However, when it comes to taste and texture, white bread is unmatched. If the flavor is your priority, then this is a great choice. Overall, it's good quality, value for money product, versatile enough for quick snack or breakfast. Give it a try and subscribe for more. Bye bye.